How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the video. Today is a full day of eating. We're down to 1,700 calories, but before that, let's appreciate the beautiful weather. And before a full day of eating, let's have a sip of coffee and have fun today. So I'll bring you guys through whatever I eat. 1,700, which is depressing, eating air, but that's okay because we have to live in gold. Let's go. Alright, so meal one is down. Now since it's Sunday, it's a relaxing day, I booked myself for a massage because my body is broken. I'm wrecked, man. So we're gonna get a quick massage, then we go for cardio. Okay, just finished taking a shower. Now I'm gonna have a pre-workout meal number 3. So this is 100 grams of chicken breast, 100 grams of white rice, 100 grams of zucchini. So coach wants me to put 60% of my carbs around training hour. So yeah, carbohydrates, easy protein, and then we're gonna go hit a little bit of arms. So let's get it. Alright, post-workout meal, pretty depressing. I'm super hungry now, so this is what I eat. I have 40 grams of oatmeal, a scoop of dragon whey, 10 grams of honey, and then, because I can't fit in peanut butter anymore, we use PB2, so it's a low-calorie peanut butter, and then a little bit of sugar-free chocolate powder, and what's it called? Berries in there, 100 grams of berries. So I'm gonna eat this and watch Daddy Chris Bumstead. So yes. Okay, so last meal of the day, bunch of vegetables, 200 grams of eye fillet, and 100 grams of mashed sweet potatoes, and also 2 large eggs. So that's it. That's all for whatever I eat. 1,700 calories. So yeah. So we finish this, and then we go to bed straight away. So it's early start tomorrow morning. Also, I'll take my supplements. Yeah, and I'll go to bed. And that's about it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.